Hati.
Winter is closing in, and survival depends on every meal she can catch. But this won't be easy. The odds are against her. The cold is unforgiving, and time is running out. She was built for power, for the hunt, but she carries one critical flaw. She's not made to take off from water. Every attempt costs energy she can't afford to waste. Every miss brings her closer to the edge. She strikes again, focused, precise. But the fish slips away. Missed. Again. Out here, strength alone isn't enough. Skill, timing, and persistence will decide her fate. Because if she fails to adapt, she won't survive the winter.